I'm Alicia.
I'm Justin.
I'm Sabrina.
I'm Mackenzie.
And I'm Mariah.
Hey, my name is Shanna, and thank you for letting me speak with you today. So picture yourself in your car, jamming out, the windows are down, and there's a breeze that rolls in. Now this breeze brings an unexpected guest, a bee. What do? You scream, yell, swat, cry. At least that's what I do. Now, what are bees really here for? And why is their population drastically declining throughout the years? Although bees are often known for being a menace, you'd be surprised how much they contribute to our ecosystem in a huge way. So let's take a look at what the bee experts are saying about it. Let's stop and think about it. Bees. What do? How do they add value to this world? A study shows that bees pollinate 80 to 95% of our plants. These plants need bees to pollinate. A honeybee can visit 50 to 1,000 flowers in just one trip. Pollination not only makes food available for other organisms, but it allows floral growth for animals to use as habitats. Also, these animals rely on bees to pollinate their food sources. These pollinators contribute to our agricultural industry by making up 1/3 of the food we consume. So why is their population declining if they are very important for our ecosystem? Threats to bees come in different avenues. First, it is the pesticides being used, GMOs, climate change, and loss of their habitat. In the last half-decade alone, 30% of the national bee population has disappeared, and nearly 1/3 of all bee colonies in the US have perished. We rely on pollinators for 1 in every 3 bites of food we eat each day. Farmers are already under pressure from droughts and insects demolishing their crops. There is very little room for any other disturbances before it affects our food supply on a very large scale. So what does it mean for our well-being? It seems as though the process of pollination is helping farmers have a larger harvest, and if the bee population continues to decline, so will our crops. It would affect the delicate balance of the Earth's ecosystem and affect our global food supply. Famine could be a real issue. Food costs would skyrocket, and malnutrition would also be a problem. In California alone, almonds are a cash cow. Almonds rely on honeybees to produce the nut each year. It is a $3 billion a year industry. Imagine how many jobs would be lost if these nuts were never produced. Without bees, almond processors, packaging, and exporting around the globe would cease to exist. It would be a tremendous impact on both our agricultural communities and our economy as a whole. Bees are stereotyped to being pests or nuisances, but they really are our agricultural saviors. We need to provide support for the bees in any way that we can. Next time you see a bee, try not to be scared or start swatting it away, because it just might save your life. So if bees are on their way to extinction, are we next?